Good morning. I'm attorney Haley Matson here with attorney Jordan McIntyre, and welcome to our elder law report. We're going to talk about probate, the real life horror story that you can avoid. So, Jordan, I guess we'll start off with some things that we might want to avoid by using probate, and then we can get into some of the horror stories that we've seen.
Yeah, absolutely. So imagine this. You've just lost a loved one, emotions are raw, grief is heavy, and just when you think it couldn't get any worse, right? You find yourself trapped in this legal maze called probate. You've got court dates, there are delays, bills are piling up, there's family tension, and what should really be this time of healing, the family should get together, it really can turn into a nightmare. So we'll get into what probate is, why it can be a horror story, and really how we can avoid it.
Yeah.
And I'll explain what probate is, and then Haley can get into good ways to avoid it and why it can be so bad. But probate is just a default process. It's the court supervised process of transferring a person's assets after death. And it might sound harmless, but it's not. It can take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. It is public. So once you open up the probate estate, you're going to run a notice to creditors. Creditors, right? If mom or dad or a family member passed with medical debt, these creditors will come in, assert claims, and then they will take whatever is passing through the estate. And that can be expensive, right? You might want to hire an attorney to assist you with going through probate. And while all of this is happening, loved ones and beneficiaries are waiting to receive assets and maybe are fighting over it. And I'll let Haley talk about this, but there are great ways to avoid this horror story.
Yes, there are. I mean, just for example, some of the horror stories can include just being stuck and not being able to sell or divide a family property. There may still be mortgage payments that are due, but yet there's nothing you can do about them. Can't transfer the house, can't transfer the cars, can't drive the cars. So if you've been driving the decedent's car and you can't get title to it, I mean, you can't really drive it. You won't be able to get insurance on it. So there's all sorts of stuff like that, but it is definitely avoidable. Some tactics that are really easy to avoid probate for certain assets would be beneficiary designations on all of your financial institution accounts. Bank accounts, checking, savings, IRAs, 401ks, pension plans. You can put beneficiaries, which are specific individuals that you name, on pretty much all of those accounts. All of those that are beneficiary designated will automatically transfer to the beneficiary upon your death. They do not get counted as a probate asset, so they don't need to be included in whatever the creditors can take. Likewise, if you have a home in North Carolina, we have the enhanced life estate deed, the Ladybird deed. It's essentially a beneficiary designation for your house. Keeps your house out of probate, so you don't have to deal with property splits. No claims can touch it, no Medicaid claims or anything. It's just that real easy direct transfer. If you have a lot of assets or you're just interested in a trust is also a vehicle that can allow you to skip probate for most of your assets. You're going to want to retitle the assets that you don't want to go into probate into the name of the trust. So your bank accounts, your car, your house, your boat, really it depends on what you have. Anything that goes through the trust will not end up going through probate.
Yes. And then what Haley is getting at is do something, right? Doing nothing is the scariest option of all of these. You can avoid this probate horror story, and you really want to meet with an estate planning attorney. Haley's great. I'd love if you meet with Haley, meet with me, and we'll review all of the assets. Right? If mom or dad are struggling to get into the office, we offer virtual consults. We can do phone calls, but we'd love to help your family see what assets you have, your family has, and figure out how to protect them so you don't have to be stuck in probate for months or years. We'd love to help your family, and we have multiple locations. So come meet with us and have a free consult in Shelby, Charlotte, or Hendersonville, or give us a call at 1-888-999-6600 or visit the website at www.mcelderlaw.com. We'd love to see you. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you.